Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through creating your own league in Fantasy Premier League. So first, you need to launch your FPL application, log into your specific account, and at the bottom of your screen, tap on the Fantasy tab, which is between latest and season. Now find the Leagues and Cups option. Once you're there, you need to go ahead and click on Configure Leagues with the gear icon selected. A new tab will appear. Click on the plus icon with the Create a League option. Go ahead and select it. Click on Create a League and Cup, and now give your league a team. Choose when your scoring will begin. Let's select Game Week 1. Then select Create League from the bottom, and your league is now established. If you want to invite players, you can tap on the settings icon within your new league option, which is the gear icon. And you can go ahead and click on invite players from the top, select the link in your clipboard, or you can also share the league code by email or copy the email text and send it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.